sad. I'll film it when I get down. Not sure if I can get all the way down. But pretty. It's cold, but it's pretty. Literally right underneath the dock. Let's see. I'll get wet. If I'm on the stair, I don't think I will. Oh, cool. I don't know if you can see it very well. There is an anemone. Or I can't say it right. Just tucked right in the little nook of the wall where the floor meets. That's pretty cool. I don't think I can get over there. I don't want to drop my phone either. You can see those little tiny red algae or algae. On the bottom part. When the tide's out, I can walk all along the beach, and there's rocks, and it'll go out, 100 feet or so. So lots of exploring sometimes with crabs and stuff under these bigger rocks. Not right now because it's underwater, but still well worth it. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, so I'm going to zoom in. I'm not even sure you'll... Oh, can you see that? Right here, right there. That's a seagull, or not a seagull, a seal. A couple of seals. Or maybe they're dolphins. They might be dolphins. Let's try to go down there real quick. Let's try and catch it. They swim really fast. So I'm gonna stop this and then we'll... Okay. I'm not sure if you can see them or where they will come up again. But those are the... Gosh. Alright, baby. That line of white towards the top middle of the screen. See the splashing? Gosh, I wish my camera could get closer. Those are dolphins. Those are the gray harbor porpoise, which is just a technical term for a dark dolphin. The people on the ferry right now are going to get quite the show if they pay attention once they pass, unless they go deeper. But they're still splashing. I still see them on the surface. I don't know if you're following. I'm not gonna quite show the ferry. The ferry will come into frame in a minute. I want to keep my focus on that because I'm very interested to see if they will continue to swim towards the surface or if they'll go deeper as the ferry comes closer. Still see that line moving across the screen in the top middle. That is porpoises, the gray harbor porpoise, which is basically a dolphin. They live here in the Puget Sound of Washington State. Oh, it's getting closer. I wonder if they'll go down. There it is. It's gonna block our frame in a minute, but gosh, I really hope that they are paying attention on that ferry boat, because if they are getting one heck of a view of those dolphins right now, of those gray harbor porpoises. Okay, let's see. They're still going. I can still see them right there splashing. You're gonna see them in a minute. They're still kind of there. Yep. They can tell that it has passed, and they're still going. Gorgeous. How beautiful. This doesn't even do it justice. I'm so sad. Everybody come visit the Puget Sound in Washington State and just come hang out here for a little while, and you will catch seals. You will catch the gray harbor porpoise, which is these dolphins. You will catch the ferry going across this gorgeous landscape every 20 minutes or so. It's nothing. You're gonna see dolphins diving into the water, getting their food. It's just so epically awesome living here.